Welcome to this video tutorial. Here I'm gonna show you how you can host your WordPress website for free. This is a typical WordPress. To host WordPress is expensive. Let's check how much it will cost you to host a WordPress. This is a typical WordPress plan price. We have different packages, and each one has a different price. And another important thing is the storage. The smaller package has a 6 gig storage, and other ones has up to 150 gig to 500 gig, and some are unlimited. If you want to know more about what the gig does, check the link to my course on the description. So the starter pack costs you $4 per month and about $48 per year. And the Explorer costs $8 per month and about $90 something per year. Then the Creator pack costs $25 per month and up to $300 per year. Entrepreneur pack costs as high as $45 per month. Here this is used in building it has some inbuilt extension online store, and up to $540 per year, sorry, $45 per month. And the cloud cost a whopping sum of $65 per month. Here is a monthly bills that you pay monthly. Starting with $64.99, and this costs $25,000 per year enterprise. You see, the price is outrageous. As a starter, I'm gonna show you how I can host this for free. You host it for free, and they are going to get a 1 year free hosting of WordPress. So go to a website called 00 webhost, and then select WordPress. It's a free WordPress hosting. Create WordPress website for free. You're gonna wait for the website to open. Good, the website has opened. Here we say sign in, and we have a Go Premium. If you want more storage, Go Premium. You click here, you can see this one is $0.00 per month. That free web hosting, and it's free for 1 year. That is what we are going to see here. How you can create your WordPress on this free. So you have to enter your email, address. It's going to suggest a password for you. You can use that or create your own. So let me use that. I will click on sign up. Answer say captcha question. Answer this question. They were succeeded in signing up. the verify account. So at this stage, we have to open our Gmail address, which we use. Open the box and verify our account. To open the Gmail address, is going to be there. Open Gmail inbox. This is verify your email address. We'll click here. Then we'll click on verify. Good. So we're on the panel now. We'll scroll down, click on start now. Then we choose a name of a website. You find a catchy name that everybody will like to remember. But here is for education purposes, so I'm going to use a test name. Then we'll create a strong password. Let me change this password and use another thing. You can go ahead and use it. Make sure that the two passwords enter the same thing, because if it mismatches, it won't work. Make sure two of them match. Then we'll click on create. Say another website with the same name already exists. So you do some try and error here. And just pick a name that is not common. Try again. Say create. It's showing some errors. There may be a network problem, so ignore that for now and try another name, that website name. Click on create. See, the name already exists, so try it. We twist the name again. You change the name and try again. Click on create. It takes time depending on your network provider. Good. New site has been created. So we're good to go here. So here we're going to install our WordPress. We're not uploading a site, but if you are transferring a site, then you can select the second one and upload your site. But here we're installing our WordPress. So let's create our login credential for the website WordPress account. The admin email address and password. If I were you, I'll use the same thing so that it will be easy for me to remember. I use the same password I used earlier on. The language here is English, so you can change the language. So click on continue. So the WordPress is now installing. It's going to take a little time to configure and install all the plugin and features that follows WordPress websites. If you want to know details about how you can create your whether blog, website, YouTube, and other blogging or online store, check the link on the description that will take you to my course. Good. You say, well done, you are ready. So I've done installing the WordPress. Well done, you are ready. Head to WordPress dashboard to start build your website. I'll click on that. To wait as it takes us to dashboard of our newly installed WordPress. The time this takes depends on your internet provider. In case if we continue, you can open your 00 webhost and check. So let's reload it. Good. And then click on website. You can see it here. So this is our website which we created. This and this, the name. Say free hosting expire on 5th of 30th May 2025. So click on manage, and this is our cPanel. Boom. So this is our WordPress website. It has the web hosting or web host app extension. This is the name. This is the hello world here. You can see it. So I've just created a website, install and host it. So click on edit. It's going to take us to the dashboard. Good, this is the admin dashboard, and it looks exactly as any other WordPress if you are used to it. Then let's add a new post to the default one and see how the website will look like. I'm going to make a new post now, create a new post. I'll add my title. You can say anything. I'll say first title test. Then add the body of the post. So let me generate some write-up that I'm going to use. Let me generate it from here. I'll copy about 2 or 3 paragraphs. If you want to know other things about how to do this, please check the link on the description. I'll take you to my course. So I'll paste it here. The next thing I will do, I'll add my featured image. Add featured image. Then set the featured image. So let's publish it. Publish our post. Then visit our site again. Then view post. You can see our new post. So almost everything is ready. The only thing you're going to do is to customize your WordPress and start posting. As easy as that, without paying them, without paying any money, instead of spending and paying through your nose. So you can use this. When your traffic starts growing, you can now pay for more storage. But for now, you can use this. So let's go to the dashboards. If you have any other thing you can edit, you can do it from here because everything is provided here. Thank you. Like, share.